Okay, you guys, this is a very quick comparison of the Missha Perfect Cover BB Cream and the more foundation-like Pro Cover BB Cream. I have been using this product here, the original BB Cream, for many years. It is my go-to product, and I decided to branch out for this one. Now, the differences is that the red one here acts more like a BB cream, so it really goes into your face more and doesn't show your pores over time. Less coverage than this one. This one layers better, it's a little more drying, and it acts more like a foundation. So this is more of a Western style BB cream, and this is more traditional, I think, Eastern style. And this is a Korean company, by the way. So for me personally, I prefer this one, the original one, and that's because it just has so many other benefits. Mind you, this one does too, but it just looks better over time. Initially, I think this one covers better as a foundation, but I find that over time, I can see more caking, I guess that's the right word, and maybe more lines. And that's what I get from regular foundations. So I'm not saying this is worse than other foundations. I'm just saying that I prefer personally BB creams that cover rather than foundations that are BB cream-like. Yes, and another negative point to the newer Pro Cover BB cream is that this little guy here is more expensive than this bigger guy on the left. But if you can't get the one that I love and only this one, try it. You might like this one. They're both good products, but yeah, this one is the winner for me.